Hey everybody, this is Sheeta Boo. Today is Wednesday, August the 4th. Just coming to you to show you my hair after last night treatments and wash, and I just put them in bigger twists that were merely dry by the time I woke up this morning. But by the time I got ready to go to work, they were pretty dry, so I just took them down and fluffed it out to where it's a fro. It's pretty soft. My scalp feels a lot better. It's nowhere near as sore as it was before. And so I'm thankful for that. And the video before this is my gift bag. And so once my scalp gets okay, I'm going to start playing with the stuff in my gift bag. And that's about it. I don't think I have anything. Oh, the update on my treatments, my conditioning treatments for July. I was nowhere near as diligent as I was in June. I think I may have did a few quick protein conditionings with the Giovanni extreme protein treatment. But that's about it. I didn't even henna last month. But I did do the Brahmi and henna last night, and my hair was not as wiry or dry when I rinsed the henna out, and I don't know if that's because of the Brahmi or what. And then I just deep conditioned with my Giovanni 50/50 conditioner, and then I rinsed and used the Giovanni direct leave-in, put some olive oil on top of that, and then a little shea butter to twist. So my hair is very soft this morning, and I'm thankful for that. And I'll be back with another video about the meetup. Talk to you later. Bye bye.